20-minute set. It's a 20-minute drywall mud, but it's the bag mud. You gotta mix it with water, and you can mix it however you want. You can definitely make it thinner too, like. But if you want to do like stuff like, and there's a marker somewhere. Don't see none. Anyway, if you want to, if you make it thinner and you just put it on and you take it back off, that's what you're supposed to do. Is put it on, wipe it off, spread it, take it right back off. Reason why is because when that dries, you come back with another coat and then you slide it over top of it, and it'll put more build to it. Then you can sand that, and it'll save you from having to basically do something like this. But you can't do stuff like that. But that little trick I just showed you took me about a couple months to learn. Like, it's nothing that you just pick up. But using that mesh, that's exactly what happened to that. Was the doorknob, and they even got a door stop, but it punched a pretty big hole through it. So and what I'm doing is I'm packing it in there because I want as much mud as I can inside the hole. And see how you see the tape? If I break that mud off, if you don't know what you're doing, like it's the first time you ever mudded something, just put it on and wipe it off. Because the next coat, wait for it to dry. When it dries, you come right through and slide some more mud to the top of it. That's where you get your little thicker bed at, which is still, you'll notice when you have big holes like this, the more you pack in it, the more it wants to basically bulge out. That's why I was really concerned about trying to pack it in here. But if you got a few minutes to play with it, having a little bit of build left like that is what you need. And once you put your second coat on, do the same thing. And then when you're going to sand your edges, because that's your blending area. That's why when you look at a patch, say if you patch this and you don't sand it, and then you paint it, you're going to lock that patch in, and you're going to see all the spots where this wall texture meets this real smooth area. And that's one thing you want to avoid. That's why when you look down the wall, you're like, why you see all those spots down through there? And it's because the spots are flashing. putting it on like this, just putting it on, taking it right back off. Is the easiest way of showing somebody how to mud something. Just, I'm literally taking it all, taking everything right back off. And then when you get trash in it, take it out. Just so everything goes back top of it, get it smooth again. The reason why is because, like I said, when this dries, you're gonna put another coat over top of this. That second coat is the one that you're gonna put on a little bit thicker. So right now, I'm just trying to lock his tape down, and you don't realize it, but that little bit of mud is gonna grab the next level of mud and actually put some build to it. You'll notice it as soon as you go, as soon as you start the second coat, you'll notice it drop it. As soon as you put the mud on, and it's starting to grabs your mud. Because you'll put it on there and it'll do that. You just want to keep it simple. Especially if you've never done it before. That's why people mud and they're like, oh my god, why does that look like that? It's because they think they gotta put a bunch of it on there, and you don't. I mean, this goes to show you how much you really gotta put on there. That's why I wanted to put it in this angle and stuff, because it'll really show you that I'm not putting much on. Like, yeah, I'm spreading it. But, and then stuff like this is what people think they gotta fix. You can. And what you do is you basically just lay your knife as close as you can to the wall. And let the knife do all the work. The more up and down you do it, you go from doing that to digging it off. See the dent that I put in it? So the flatter the knife is, the better it's gonna flatten it. The more up and down, the more straighter a knife is, the more it's gonna take off. You gotta look at it as a plow. If you're pushing the plow, it's gonna pull it off right back. It's gonna pull it all off. But you just want to slide your hand across it. And even stuff like that, don't worry about that. It's that second coat, so I'm gonna fill that right in. And stuff like this,